Alexa, welcome to India.
Thank you. It's awesome to be here.
Alexa, play some songs.
Here's a playlist you might like. Bollywood Weekend Party from Amazon Prime Music.
Alexa, next. Alexa, volume to 3. Alexa, volume 10. Alexa, stop. Alexa, play some songs from Sawan.
Hindi chart busters from Sawan.
Alexa, which song you are playing?
This is Mere Rush Ki Kamar on Badshah by Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan, Rahat Fateh Ali Khan.
Alexa, play some Kannada song from Sawan.
Playing top Kannada songs from Sawan.
Alexa, play a song from Mungaru Male.
Mungaru Male 2, original motion picture soundtrack by Arjun Janya.
Alexa, play a song from America Kannada movie.
I couldn't find any Kannada movie songs.
Alexa, play Kuch Kuch Hota Hai from Sawan.
Playing Kuch Kuch Hota Hai by Jatin Lalit from Sawan.
Alexa, what is time?
It's 1:29 p.m.
Alexa, which day is today?
It's Saturday, November 18th.
Alexa, who is Narendra Modi?
Narendra Damodar Das Modi is an Indian politician who is the 14th and current Prime Minister of India, in office since May 2014.
Alexa, who is the President of India?
India's President is Ramnath Kovind.
Alexa, who is Chief Minister of Delhi?
Delhi's Chief Minister is Arvind Kejriwal.
Alexa, who is Governor of Reserve Bank of India?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Alexa, who is A.R. Rahman?
Allah Rakha Rahman is an Indian composer, singer-songwriter, music producer, musician and philanthropist.
Alexa, when is Christmas?
Christmas Day will be on Monday the 25th of December 2017.
Alexa, when is Deepavali?
Diwali will be on Wednesday, the 7th of November 2018.
Alexa, what is locomotive?
A locomotive or engine is a rail transport vehicle that provides the motive power for a train.
Alexa, what is State Bank of India?
State Bank of India is an Indian multinational, public sector banking and financial services company.
Alexa, spell water.
Water is spelled W-A-T-E-R.
Alexa, where is Gujarat?
Gujarat is an Indian state in West India. It is 482 miles, 776 kilometers, southwest of New Delhi and 6.9 miles, 11 kilometers, east of Ahmedabad.
Alexa, where is Elanka in Bangalore?
Sorry, I don't know that. I'm still learning about local businesses.
Alexa, add 100 plus 2.
The sum of 102 is 102.
Alexa, 0 divided by 0.
0 divided by 0 is undefined.
Alexa, multiply 300 to 400.
The answer to your calculation is 1,20,000.
Alexa, any chance of rain today?
No rain is expected in Bengaluru, Minnesota today.
Alexa, weather report of Bengaluru.
Currently, in Bengaluru, India, it's 26 degrees with partly sunny skies. Today, you can expect some sun and thunderstorms, with a high of 28 degrees and a low of 20 degrees.
Alexa, add mouthwash to shopping list.
I've put tomatoes on your shopping list.
Alexa, add sambar powder to shopping list.
Sambar powder added to your shopping list.
Alexa, reminder me tomorrow.
What's the reminder for?
Upload YouTube video.
What time tomorrow should I remind you?
9:30 a.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 9:30 a.m.
Alexa, keep timer for 1 second.
1 second, starting now.
Alexa, stop. Keep alarm at 7:30.
Is that 7:30 in the morning or in the evening?
Evening.
Alarm set for 7:30 p.m.
Alexa, check my calendar.
I don't see a calendar setup. To link your calendar, go to the settings page in your Alexa app.
Alexa, sports update.
Here's your sports update. In cricket, on day 3 of the match, Sri Lanka is batting at 29 for 1 in the first innings. India scored 172 for 10. In football, Chelsea will play in the Premier League tonight at 8:30 p.m. away against West Bromwich Albion. Arsenal will
Alexa.
play in the Premier.
Stop. Alexa, what's in news?
Here's your flash briefing. From NDTV News, latest news.
Tax officials raid Jayalalitha's post residence search limited to rooms used by Shashikala and Jaya's personal secretary. Padmavati sent back but the censor board on technical grounds, release likely
Alexa.
to be delayed.
Next.
From the Times of India, English Radio.
Hello, this is the Times of India Radio and here are the top news. International rating agency Moody's has upgraded India's local and foreign currency issuer ratings to Baa2 from Baa3 and
Alexa.
changed the outlook.
Stop. Alexa, when is India versus Sri Lanka match?
India will play this Friday at 9:30 am against Sri Lanka.
Alexa, book Uber.
Welcome to Uber. I can request a ride from the home or work address in your Uber app or the address in your Alexa app. I can also request specific ride types and change your pickup location.
Alexa, stop.
What would
Alexa, book Ola cab.
Welcome to Ola. Get started by linking your Ola account to Alexa. I have sent details to your Alexa app on how to do this. I am looking forward
Alexa,
to get
stop.
your ride.
Alexa, order from Zomato.
You need to link your account to use Zomato. Please go to your Alexa app to link your Zomato account to Alexa.
Alexa, order biryani.
The top search result for biryani is Pure Gold Drop Pulao and Biryani 250 ml. It's 235 rupees total including tax. Would you like to buy it?
Stop. Alexa, book movie ticket.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Alexa, which movie playing around me?
Here are a few films playing near Bengaluru today. Tira Adidara Mondaru, Upendra Matba, Justice League 3D, Tumhari Sulu, Aksar 2, and Thor.
Alexa, review of Justice and League.
Not always can a bunch of superheroes come together to save the day. Justice League appears to be one of the most panned big-budget films in recent history. A Vanity Fair critic says, "I'm sorry that everyone wasted their time and money making it. Pure kryptonite that."